Hello everyone, I am Anmoli and welcome to my channel Meaningful Learning. Friends, in the last video, we discussed 15 important questions. And today in this video, we will discuss 20 previous years questions which are important for all teaching exams. Guys, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कर लीजिए एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो बेनिफिशियल लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक ज़रूर करें एंड अपने फ्रेंड के साथ भी शेयर करें. So, let's begin. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 से स्टार्ट किया है बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन 15 क्वेश्चंस इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो. तो अगर आपको वो वॉच करनी है तो आप प्लीज मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियो को रेफर करें. सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 इज द लास्ट बुक ऑफ गुलिवर्स ट्रेवल्स इज. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द ऑप्शन. वॉइस टू लिलीपुट, वॉइस टू ब्रॉबडिंगनैंग, वॉइस टू हॉयहम्स, वॉइस टू लापुटा. सो विच इज द लास्ट बुक? So the last book is Voice to Houyhnhnms. So the correct option is this, C, Voice to Houyhnhnms. Gulliver's Travels deals with imaginary voices. इसमें imaginary voices के ऊपर ये स्टोरी मेंशन्ड है, बेस्ड है. 2003 में एक मूवी आई थी जजंत्रम ममंत्रम, वो वॉइस टू लिलीपुट पे बेस्ड थी. सो आई होप आपको इसका आंसर मिल गया होगा. हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Venus and Adonis is a long narrative poem by. Who has written Venus and Adonis? So let's have a look at the option. Edmund Spenser, Sidney, Dryden, or Shakespeare. Guys, Venus and Adonis is a long narrative poem composed in 6 lines stanzas by William Shakespeare. It is among the earliest of his writings. So the correct answer is D, Shakespeare. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 18. In Charlotte Bronte's Jane Eyre, the mad woman in the attic is. Who is the mad woman in the attic? So the mad woman in the attic was Bertha Mason. Bertha Mason, wife of Edward Rochester. She was locked in the attic because she was mentally not stable. So the correct option is C. So the correct option is C, Bertha Mason. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 19. Which of the following significant event happened in 1642? The options are execution of Charles I, invasion of Ireland by Cromwell, theatres were closed, Cromwell was succeeded by Richard. So, what happened in 1642? In 1642, theatres were closed. So, our correct answer is option number C. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 20. To which kind of poetry does the Canterbury Tales belong? So, the options are epic, dramatic, lyrical, or narrative. The Canterbury Tales is a narrative poem by Geoffrey Chaucer. It is a narrative poem written by whom? By Geoffrey Chaucer. So D is the correct option. It is our correct answer. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 21. Dr. Johnson's The Lives of the Poets is an example of. Options are psychoanalytical criticism, biographical criticism, historical criticism, or archetypical criticism. So Dr. Johnson's The Lives of the Poets is a biographical criticism. It is a series of introduction to the works of 52 poets. It is regarded as criticism of great and permanent value. So guys, which is our correct answer? So the correct answer is B, that is biographical criticism. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 22. A meter in which an unaccented syllable precedes the accented is called. So what the meter is called? In which unaccented syllable precedes the accented. So our correct answer is option number B, that is iambic. In iambic, what happens? An unaccented syllable precedes the accented syllable. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 33. Who of the following did the critic Hugh Walker call the prince among English essayists? So Hugh Walker ने किसे prince कहा है among English essayists? Charles Lamb. Your options are Francis Bacon, Joseph Addison, Charles Lamb, and Oliver Goldsmith. So the Hugh Walker has called the prince among English essayists Charles Lamb. So our correct answer is C, that is Charles Lamb. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 24. The author of the short story The Owl Who Was God is. Who has written this story? The Owl Who Was God. Let's have a look at the options. A. George Orwell, B. James Thurber, C. Ernest Hemingway, and D. Oscar Wilde. So the correct answer is B. James Thurber. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 25. Saki is the pen name of. So, whose another name is Saki, or who writes with the name Saki? So option are Somerset Maugham, K. Abbas, Wilkie Collins, and Hector Hugh Munro. So the correct answer is Hector Hugh Munro. He greatly influenced future generations. His brief narratives in epigrammatic style aimed to humiliate the elderly upper middle classes of the Edwardian era. So here our correct answer is option D, that is Hector Hugh Munro. Let's move on to the next question. So our next question is question number 26. Dash is known as the father of detective stories. So who is known as the father of detective stories? Our options are Edgar Allan Poe, Anton Chekhov, Arthur Conan Doyle, or Judith Wright. So the father of detective stories is Edgar Allan Poe. आपने शेरलॉक होम्स की स्टोरीज के बारे में भी जरूर सुना होगा. डू यू नो हु हैज रिटन? Arthur Conan Doyle has written the stories of Sherlock Holmes. Let's move on to the next question. Is question number 27. The first tragedy written in English is. Options are Edward II, Dr. Faustus, The Jew of Malta, and The Gorboduc. So, which is the first tragedy written in English? So, the first tragedy written in English is Gorboduc. Let's move on to our next question. That is question number 28. Reflection on the French Revolution is a work by. Who has written the work? The French Revolution. Reflection on the French Revolution. The reflection on the French Revolution is actually a political pamphlet. It was written by the Irish statesman Edmund Burke. So our correct answer is option number B, Edmund Burke. Next, move on to the question number 29. The only novel written by Rudyard Kipling is. So the options are Lord Jim, The Jungle Book, The Secret Agent, and Kim. Here are the two options, Lord Jim and The Secret Agent. It has been written by Joseph Conrad. And the two works are by Rudyard Kipling. You all know about The Jungle Book, Mowgli. आप सबने देखा होगा, right? So the only novel written by Rudyard Kipling is Kim. Kim is the only novel written by Kipling. So the correct answer is D. Kim. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 30. The expression ancestral voices professing war occurs in option Christabel, Rime of the Ancient Mariner, Kubla Khan, and Frost at Midnight. So here the correct answer is C. Kubla Khan. So let's move on to our next question. Question number 31. The soul of tragedy according to Aristotle is. अरिस्टोटल के अकॉर्डिंग ट्रेजेडी की सोल क्या है? कैरेक्टर, प्लॉट, डिक्शन या स्पेक्टिकल? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू अरिस्टोटल, plot is the soul of tragedy because it gives meaning, vigor and vitality to the play. So here our correct option is option B, plot. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 32. The correct chronological sequence of the following books is The Medal, Astrea Redux, Annus Mirabilis, Absalom and Achitophel. We will not read all the options. Let's see. Astrea Redux was published in 1660, Annus and Mirabilis in 1667, Absalom and Achitophel in 1681, and 1 year after that, in 1682, the medal was published. So according to this, our correct option is B. So Astrea Redux, Annus Mirabilis, Absalom and Achitophel and the medal. This is our correct answer. So let's move on to our next question. The author of Beowulf is. Who has written Beowulf? Options are Caedmon, Sinwulf, John Gower और D, none of these. तो पहले हम ये जान लेते हैं कि Beowulf was written during the old English period. ओल्ड इंग्लिश पीरियड के टाइम पे लिखा गया था Beowulf, एंड ओल्ड इंग्लिश पीरियड के समय जितने भी वर्क्स थे उसमें मोस्टली वर्क्स के बारे में ये नहीं पता है कि उसको लिखा किसने है, क्योंकि ऑथर ने अपना नाम नहीं लिखा. तो Beowulf is also written during the Anglo-Saxon period by some anonymous writer. We do not know the writer of Beowulf. So our option will be D, none of these. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 34. Dream Play is a famous work of. Who has written Dream Play? Strindberg, Zola, A.C. Swinburne or Emil Lovell? So here our correct answer is Strindberg. So Dream Play has been written by Strindberg. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 35. The figure of speech used in the expression murderous innocence of the sea is. Options are onomatopoeia, personification, oxymoron or simile. Let's have a look at this line. Murderous innocence. Now see, murderous innocence, these two are contradictory. अगर कोई मर्डरर है तो वो इनोसेंट कैसे हो सकता है? सो दिस बोथ आर कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी. तो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस या ऐसे एक्सप्रेशंस जहां पे हम कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी टर्म्स यूज करते हैं उसे कहते हैं ऑक्सीमोरोन. सो मर्डरस इनोसेंस ऑफ द सी. हियर आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ऑक्सीमोरोन. Guys, this is the last question of today's video. और इसी के साथ हमारा आज का वीडियो यहाँ पे एंड होता है. एंड मैं बहुत जल्द आऊँगी आपके लिए और क्वेश्चंस लेकर के. So please wait for my video. Please subscribe my channel to get notification of upcoming video. Also share with your friends. Till then, goodbye and happy learning.